Why do we flush? When a mud district resident sees a fire hydrant opened up, sending water onto the street and into the storm drains, they may wonder why. Today, we'll review the reasons why district water lines are flushed and how this affects water customers, so water board directors like you can confidently handle questions that arise. There are a handful of reasons why your operator may need to flush water from your district's lines. The most common reason is for routine dead-end flushing. TCEQ requires public water systems to flush all dead ends throughout a water distribution system monthly. Routine dead-end flushing is usually accomplished from a blow-off valve at a water line's dead end, but is sometimes done from the fire hydrant closest to the end of a water line. Another common reason for flushing water lines is in response to a water quality complaint from customers. When a customer calls in to file a water quality complaint, operators are required to respond within 24 hours. During the response, operators will flush the water lines by opening up a fire hydrant or dead-end blow-off valve, and will check the disinfectant residual of the water, check for any aesthetic issues, and finish by following up with the customer filing the complaint. Annual waterline flushing, aka directional flushing, is a best practice some water systems opt into. Imagine driving down the road at less than 1.5 miles per hour. That's about the rate water moves through underground pipes. This slow movement causes a buildup of sediment and minerals known as biofilm that can restrict water flow and contribute to corrosion. Periodically flushing water pipes helps remove sediment and biofilm buildup, maintains your district's infrastructure, and assures consistent water quality. Last, fire hydrant testing. An important best practice for public water systems calls for fire hydrants to be tested annually. Testing a fire hydrant includes checking all the caps to ensure fire hoses can be attached easily, opening up the hydrant to ensure proper operation, measuring the volume of flow, and the residual pressure on a hydrant downstream. Public water systems are required to maintain 20 psi pressure while a fire hydrant is open full bore, like it would be while fighting a fire. To recap, 4 primary reasons water district customers may see waterline flushing occurring include routine dead-end flushing, water quality complaint response, annual waterline flushing, and fire hydrant testing. Regular waterline flushing ensures that residents are treated to safe, clean drinking and everyday use water.